the needle down and dance me to the other side.